Chili, do you love me? I know that's all the words we know. Hi, this is Chef Uno, and today we're gonna do some kitchen hacks.
Fun.
The first one is Liz's favorite. This is something you
Chili
actually know
oil?
for. Yes, chili
Yes.
oil. So chili
Put on
oil.
everything.
Chili oil is one of those things that people ask you to make for them. And we put it on everything, and it's one of those things that also preserves the flavor. And it kind of is like a shortcut. Being single moms, it helps to have things that we have on hand, and we can just add to grilled chicken, rotisserie chicken, steak, whatever. You should always use non-flavored neutral oil. So not olive oil, grapeseed oil would be great, peanut oil would be fine too. And the reason I have a thermometer in here is because I don't want it to go over 250 degrees. We don't want those spices to burn. I'm gonna put about 7 or 8 anise in there. If you wanna put, I don't know, half a bag of those Szechuan peppercorns. Heck, why don't you just put the whole bag in? Just do the whole bag.
Yeah, I was going to.
And then I'm gonna add some umami with anchovies. The heat will dissolve the anchovies into that. So I'm gonna put that in there and garlic. And we're gonna do it at 250 degrees for like 30 minutes and just let it simmer low and slow. And then we're gonna strain it out and have the chili oil, the chilies down here. So I put a candy thermometer in there so you can see right now it's at 150 degrees. We're gonna get it between 200 and 250 and just watch the temperature because you don't want it to burn. The last thing, if it burns, it's gonna be a bitter taste. Liz, you ready?
This is my favorite part.
It's like Pop Rocks when the oil gets on top of this. Do you see which one I got though? I got the one that is super hot. It's gonna sizzle. We're gonna do the whole
sizzle?
thing.
It's gonna
This is close to
sizzle?
like 2 cups of super hot red chili flakes. And then I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna trust you. I'm gonna hold this here and you're gonna strain that oil on top of here.
Yes.
Definitely put this in a bowl that will not melt, like a heat-proof bowl. See
That's
that?
it.
Oh my
Before I
God,
can
that's it. So this is the chili oil. Oh my gosh, Liz. And then we're gonna take all of the garlic out and put it in here. And this is gonna be the most aromatic because you've got all the flavors. This is so good. So this has been confit, so it's nice and soft. It's gonna be sweet. Oh God.
It's not like I have a date or anything tonight.
And this will keep for a month in the refrigerator. I can already smell this is spicy. I want to cough. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so hot. You can smash it into your steamed rice,
Oh my gosh, I can't
your
wait.
noodles, your zucchini,
Everything.
zoodles, your zoodles.
Yes.
So here's the oil. Look at how thick and rich that is. The other thing you can do is if you just want to dilute it, you can always just have this half a jar and just add more vegetable oil because it's going to get hotter because oil retains the capsaicin in your peppers. And I'm giving you...
Really? Do I get the whole thing?
You get the whole
Oh my
thing.
I'm so happy.
It's the alcohol, I think.
Oh, I'm gonna eat so good.
And then I have the one that's slightly diluted because obviously I don't eat as spicy as hers. But you guys saw how we made this chili. Less than 5 ingredients. Keeps for a month. Try this at home. Let me know what you think. Hashtag Chef Uno.
And Liz Linder.